All right, it's time to fix this. This is going to be fixed. This is going. That's going. All of this is going to be raked. Rocks cleared out. I have to fill that with dirt because I'm going to put rocks down, and I have a fountain in the garage that I'm going to put right here. So got to get working on it here. First thing I need to do is start draining this water. And the good thing is I already have a pump in there. All I have to do is move this. Whoa. There. All right, pump is plugged in. And yep. All right, we'll just start draining this pond. Step one. Fill this with dirt. All right, I pretty much have the site prepped. There's the pond right there. And I got all the weeds out. It's all prepped. I have to go get some dirt, fill in that, because there's a hole there. I have to fill that in. Get like one of those vegetation tarps to put over here so vegetation won't grow. And that's pretty much my goal for today. Tomorrow, I will be putting rock down. The rock that's in our, like the tan rock that we already have. I'm gonna buy more of that. Put that all in here. And then I think I'm gonna take that rock and build it so it's a little elevated there, and that's what I'm gonna put the fountain on. But it's pretty much prepped. This I had left over in the shed because I was going to go buy some of this stuff, and I'm like, wait a second, I think I have some of that somewhere. I found it in the shed, and can you believe it's pretty much the exact size that I needed? I didn't cut it or anything. It overlaps a little bit over here, but I'm not worried about that. I mean, dude, that never happens. That never happens. Wagon's worth every penny. Every penny. Look at that. thought I was going to be able to finish this today, but I'm not going to finish it today. But I did a lot. I'll finish it tomorrow. This is what it looks like. I kind of made little designs with the original rock that I had. There's some gaps, like down here. But what I'll do is tomorrow I'm going to go and get maybe 3-4 more bags of rock, but different colored rock. And I'll pour it over those gaps so there's a different colored rock mixed in there. I think that'll look good. I'm going to spray this because that rock is all muddy and dirty. Oh yeah, see how that looks a lot better. You get some different colored rocks in there, you see? Yeah, it looks a lot better. Because all those rocks were covered with like just a layer of like dirt. That's pretty good, man. I like it. The fountain is in the garage, and it's going to go right there, I'm assuming, on that rock there, right, basically right in the middle. That looks pretty damn good. I like that. Just got to fill in those gaps. All right, last step to finish this fountain is to move it to its location. Hopefully it's not going to be that big of a problem here. Yeah.
Water, or does it need like constant running water?
I'm pretty sure it's a reservoir of water. It said no plumbing required.
Okay.
No plumbing required. This wagon has been a back saver. What a fantastic wagon. Oh yeah, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. That wasn't bad at all. That wasn't bad at all. Definitely not leaking, that's for sure. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. That's epic.